Good morning, Wildcats. This is one Sleepy Sparacino here. Long night. Kids had me up. All right, so you should have the worksheet with you that goes along with this. It says 8 times 5 plus 7. All right. I don't want this to throw you off that this has an extra times sign right by the times 5 plus 7. Okay, I know that the handwritten one did not have that, honestly, because it's not needed. This particular company felt that they wanted to make sure you knew it was multiplication, so they threw that extra times in there, but really that parenthesis it already tells you that's multiplication. So don't let that throw you off. Same type of problems, it's just got an extra multiplication symbol in it. All right, so these are the ones that we're going to use those arrows for. All right, so we got 8 times 5. 8 times 5 plus 8 times 7. 8 times 7. Just use the arrows outside to inside and outside to outside. Okay? 8 times 5, if you need that multiplication chart, get it out now because you're going to need it through this exercise. If you're not real good with your multiplication skills yet, that's all right. Get that chart out, take a look at it. 8 times 5 is 40, and 8 times 7 is 56. We add those two numbers together. You can do that over to the side if you need to. 56 and 40 is 96. All right. Let's give number 2 a shot. 11 outside inside. 11 times 8. Outside to outside. 11 times 2. All right, 11 times 8. 11 times 8, what would that be? 88. 11 times 2, 22. And if we add them together, I wish these wrote a little bit smaller. We would get 110. All right, let's try number 3. 9 times 3 plus 5. Outside to inside. 9 times 3. Outside to outside. 9 times 5. Remember that trick on your hands with the 9s if you don't know your 9s. Count over how many you're multiplying. So if I have 9, 1, 2, 3, put that third one down. Everything on this side's first digit, 2. Everything on this side of the finger is the second digit, 7, 27. 27. If you're doing 9 times 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, thumb goes down, 4, 5, 45. 45. 45. All right, 27. 27 and 45. 7 plus 5. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And 4 and 2 and 1. 4, 5, 6, 7. We get 72. 72 for that one. All right. Give you a few more here. Ooh, this one's a doozy. 6 times 13. 6 times 13. 6 times 4. That's a hard one. Well, let's see. 13 and 13 is 26. So it'd probably be easier just to multiply it, honestly. I was going to try and do it by that way, but 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So we get 78 for that one. And 6 times 4, 24. We add them up. 78 plus 24. 102. 102. All right, number 5. 7 times 10 plus 3, outside to inside. 7 times 10 plus outside to outside. 7 times 3. 7 times 10, pretty easy one, 70. Anytime you multiply times 10, just add a 0 on. That's the easiest way to do it. I can do like 6,120 times 10, and it's going to be 61,120. No, it's not. 6,120, you add an extra 0 on, would make it 61,200. Yeah, that's better. All right, 7 times 3 is 21. Add them together, 70, 80, 90, and 1, 91. Notice I just counted the tens first because that's easier. 70 plus 20, 70, 80, 90, and then I just add the 1. That's how I got 91. All right. One more. 5 times 7 plus 14. 5 times 7. Why did I just do that? 5 times 7. I told you guys I'm sleepy this morning. 5 times 14. 5 times 7 I can do in my head. That one is going to be what? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Counting by 5s, that good old skip counting. 5 times 14. That one not so much. 14 times 5, unless you're really good at counting by 14s, but not usually people are. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 2 is 7. So it is 70. All right. Now we got to add 70 plus 35. Again, I think it's easier just to add the 30 first. So 70 and 30, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now just put on your 5. You get 105. Sometimes, guys, you got to learn those, I call them survival math skills. If you can add your tens on, add your tens first, and then just add your singles on after that, okay? It works a lot easier than trying to figure out both digits at the same time. Take that 70, add 30 to it, and then all you have to do is tack on an extra 5. All right? I'm going to have you try these on your own, see how you do. If you still have questions, let me know, but this is the basics on how you set up everyone on this side. So, the only real problem you should have is, or you might have, is having some multiplication problems, but other than that, you should be able to do this one on your own. Just remember, outside to inside, and then outside to outside. Write those first, multiply them, add them together. I hope you have a great day, and I hope you're making great choices. Have a good one.